Welcome to Discovering Indian Flavors, a culinary journey for authentic Indian or Pakistani food. This is your gateway to the rich and diverse world of Indian cuisine, where every dish tells a story of tradition, flavor, and culture. Indian and Pakistan cuisine is as diverse as its landscape, with each region offering unique dishes and flavors. From the spicy curries of Pakistan to the rich stews of Rajasthan, the fresh, vibrant meals, and the aromatic rice dishes of KPK. Indian spices, each one adding depth, aroma, and color to our dishes. You'll get to know some key ingredients that might already be in your pantry, like cumin and coriander, as well as some that may be new to you, like fenugreek or garam masala. Don't worry, we'll guide you every step of the way. To make the most out of this course, we'll introduce you to some essential kitchen tools used in Pakistani cooking. Simple items like a tawa for making bread, a mortar and pestle for grinding fresh spices, and a pressure cooker for those tender, melt-in-your-mouth meats. We'll also dive into key cooking techniques, such as tempering spices to release their full flavor, slow cooking meats to achieve perfect tenderness, and layering ingredients for that perfect biryani.
Throughout this course, we'll explore everything from breakfast favorites like paratha to main courses like chicken karai, and even decadent desserts like kheer. By the end, you'll be able to create a full subcontinent meal that's sure to impress. So, are you ready to start cooking? Let's dive in and bring the rich flavors of subcontinent food to your kitchen.